everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are gonna do the haircut forward graduation, or very commonly known as feather cut or face framing haircut. Now, as usual, firstly we will wash the hair, shampoo and condition the hair very nicely. Now we will detangle the hair. Now we will do one length. One length is the base haircut. You have to do it in each and every haircut. It is mandatory and also helps in understanding the client's length desire. Either they have to keep it short or long. Now, the most important thing in a haircut is creating a guideline and following it. I'm asking my client as of how much length she desires. Here, my clients want a chin level length. Also, it is important that we tell our client that this will not shorten the overall length. Now, as you can see that I'm just following the guideline. As the haircut is done, we will dry the hair to 90%. Now I am blow drying the hair in inward direction. My salon is located in Prayagraj. If you need any hair, skin, makeup or nail related query, please DM me on Instagram. The link to my Insta ID is given in description. Now you can see the final result. I hope you like the haircut. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.